Hi, I'm Wongster1970, and today I'm going to be inspecting the drive belt on this 2011 Kymco Like. Seems like the belt's slipping, I'm not 100% sure though. So let's take a look at it. I'm going to be taking these bolts out around here, and it looks like they are just telling them with an 8mm or 5/16. I think that's it, except for one up in the very front here. That one's going to be tough to get into. It's one bolt way up in this corner here. I'm using a shorter extension. I think I'm going to have to take the extension off. Just trying to get up in there. No more bolts. I don't see any more. Let's get the plastic mallet and tap on it. Or dead blow. But there's a hose up in the front here. I'm going to go and get a pair of pliers and grab a hold of that and slide a clamp up. Okay, I got my slip lock, or yeah, I got my duckbill pliers. Grab a hold of this. It's enough to get her off. Now, who just lays up in there? Let's see if I can tap this off. There we go. Yeah, we're definitely gonna need a new gasket. That tore. A lot of brake dust in there. Definitely gonna need a belt. Oh, there's a number on it, looks like. There it is. Kymco 23100 KEB7 9000. Well, while I'm in here, I might as well take this apart, take the clutch off, and see what the rest of it looks like. And this bolt here is a 14mm, and with any luck it'll come right off. Yep, got that one off. It's gonna be loose. Yeah, it looks like it. So that's good. Squeeze this enough to get it off. Rotate that. Ouch! Pinch my fingers in there. Oh yeah. Brakes look a little rough. Let me see about this one. This is a 17mm, and I know it's not an impact socket. Washer on here. I thought there's supposed to be weights on this. Take the belt out. Directional. Supposed to fall out. Two, three, 4, 5, and 6. And this piece. Looks like we're missing something. That's it. Looks like that seal might be leaking too. That's gonna do it for that. Just have to wait to get some parts. That'll do it for inspecting the drive belt and drive assembly on the 2012 Kymco Like. In my next video, I'm going to be installing some replacement parts that I have. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.